Guten Tag, meine Freunde. Hello, my friends. I'm Linguistish, and we're back to Mario RPG. So, Toad just asked us to go and save the princess, and we're gonna go and give it a try. Going to Bowser's Burg, Bowser's Castle. Aber es gibt etwas komisch hier. But there's something strange here. Aha, ein riesiges Schwert. A giant sword. Who says, Halt, wer ist da? So, stop. Who is there? Ein Unbefugter? Trespasser? Diese Burg gehört nun uns, der Smithy Gang. This castle belongs to us now, the Smithy Gang. Das ist unser erster Schritt in Richtung Weltherrschaft. This is our first step in the direction of world domination. Richtung means direction, and then Welt means world, Herrschaft means domination. Ohne hochnäsige Leute wie dich würde uns eure Welt fast schon gehören. Without conceited or uppity people like you, your world would almost already belong to us. Hochnäsig literally means high-nosed, but here it means like prideful or conceited. And gehören means to belong to. Schauen wir mal, was du jetzt machst. Let's see what you do now. So he starts moving his mouth, and it rattles, and die Brücke fällt runter. The bridge falls down. So the bridge is out now. Nothing we can do here. Also müssen wir zurück zu Mario's Haus gehen. So we got to go back to Mario's house. And if you look at it there, we can see that it's Mario's house. House means house. Sounds the same as in English, just spelled a little different. And Mario's also is what we might expect for showing possession. In English, we throw an apostrophe in there to show that someone owns something. In German, they just have the S. Du bist aber schnell zurück. Hast du etwas vergessen? You're back so soon. Have you forgotten something? And that word du, that is you. We're gonna see that word a lot, so try and remember that. Nein? No? Was ist dann passiert? Then what happened? And Mario, trying to make it easy for us language learners, he's gonna just act it out. Die Brücke zu Bowser's Burg ist eingestürzt. So the bridge to Bowser's castle is fallen down. Na spitze. It's kind of like, great. Wir müssen sofort den Kanzler des Schwammerreichs davon informieren. Wir is we, so we must, as quickly as possible, tell the Chancellor of the Mushroom Kingdom about it. Los, Mario. Come on, Mario. Okay, so we'll follow him. Oops, Entschuldigung. Oops, sorry. And so Entschuldigung is like, excuse me, or I beg your pardon, I'm sorry. Common polite word. Oh, der Schlag auf deinen Kopf hat deine HP reduziert. That hit on your head has reduced your hit points, your HP. Eins von den berühmten Items aus Schwammerreich wird dich aber wieder aufmuntern. But one of the famous items out of the Mushroom Kingdom will kind of cheer you up or re-energize you, something like that, again. Pilz erhalten. So a Pilz is a mushroom, and erhalten is to receive. Weißt du, wie man Items benutzt? Aber sicher. We do know. Oh, dann nicht. Oh, then no. Du bist so intelligent und erfahren, Mario. You're so intelligent and experienced, Mario. Warum bin ich überhaupt zurückgekehrt? Ach ja, ich wollte dir was... Okay, so the first sentence, why did I come back at all? And so ich, that third word there, that's the word for I. So we've seen ich or I, we've seen du or you, and we've seen wir or we. All gonna be important pronouns for us as we go forward. So then second sentence, ach ja, oh yeah, ich wollte dir was sagen. I wanted to tell you something. Ach genau, oh, exactly. Ich wollte dir warnen, dass der Pilsweck voller Monster ist. I wanted to warn you that the Pilsweg, this is a good example of a common thing in German. They'll take a couple of words and then smash them together to make a new word. So we have Pilz, which we just learned is mushroom, and then we have Weg, which means road or way. And it's actually it's cognate with our word for way. It's got that W and then the E and then G's and Y's and I's in different languages, they kind of mix up and become each other in different ways. So anyway, it's the mushroom way, and those words just got smushed together. And we'll see a lot of examples of words that get built up out of multiple smaller words. Anyway, I wanted to warn you that the mushroom way is full of monsters. Ich habe es kaum bis hierher geschafft. I only just barely made it back here. Mario, mach bitte was. Mario, please do something. Vielleicht kann ich helfen. And there's that ich again. Perhaps I can help. Kennst du abgepasste Schläge? Do you know, I think in English it's timed hits. And we'll say natürlich because we don't want to go through a boring tutorial. Hey, du haust besser ab. Hey, you'd better get out of here. Kennt abgepasste Schläge. He knows timed hits. Der macht Brei aus dir. He'll make Brei. I don't know what Brei is. He's gonna make something out of you. I'll look it up later. Bellende Hunde beißen nicht. So, barking dogs don't bite. Warum bin ich überhaupt zurückgekehrt? Why did I come back? Now, why did I come back again? Why did I come back at all? Ach ja, ich wollte dir was sagen. Ah ja, ich wollte dir was sagen. I wanted to tell you something. Stimmt. Wir müssen dem Kanzler vom Toadstool berichten. Yes, that's it. Stimmt is like, makes sense. Wir müssen, we have to. We have to tell the Chancellor about Toadstool. Ich sehe dich dann im Schwammelreich. I'll see you in the Mushroom Kingdom then. Nimm die mit, falls was sein sollte. Take these with you in case something should happen. In case you should need them. That sort of meaning. 3 Pilze erhalten. 3 mushrooms received. Awesome. Okay, so then from Mario's house, we're going to go to the Pilsweck. And you might notice that the way I'm pronouncing that, we said that G is the letter G in German, and it's generally pronounced like a G. However, there's a thing in German where consonants that come at the end of a word, they change pronunciation somewhat. They get harder. So instead of Weg, it's Weg. And that's something that holds true for just about all words. Okay, we're gonna use our Sprung again. Take care of this guy quickly. I believe the more times that you use jump or Sprung, the stronger it gets. So I just kind of want to use it as every chance that I get. And then keep fighting these Goombas. And I'm using my abgepasste Schläge, my timed hits, to try and do more damage. And at the end of the battle, we receive experience points. Punkt, I guess is what PKT stands for. And then we get Geld, and Geld is money. So no money from that. And here we have a Sky Trooper. It's a kind of turtle. The word for turtle in German is Schildkröte. And Kröte means a toad.
and a Schild is a shield. So that's another one of our words that gets put together out of two smaller words to make one new one. And so a Schildkröte is a shield toad, and that's basically what a turtle is, right? Oh, game over. I was not paying enough attention to my gaming. I was doing too much with German. Okay, well, we'll try that again next time, and hopefully I'll do a better job of multitasking. And if you have any questions about the German contained here, please feel free to write a comment down below and ask, or if you have a question about something else related to German, I'd be happy to take a look at it. Thanks so much. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, liken, kommentieren und abonnieren bitte. Danke und tschüss.